This model kit review is of the Focke Wulf 154, the Moskito, and this is actually a Revell monogram model. It's part of the series, the Pro modelers, which usually meant is more detailed. Here's the dimensions of the kit and the colors needed. Here's a picture of the finished model, and the box has definitely seen better days. And I bought this one online, and additional pictures there. Let's have a look inside. Looks like this one has already been started. We have two of these sprues here, and this is very good molding quality. The exhaust will need to get drilled out there. But all of this is all very well molded, very few mold lines, lots of detail. Here's the nose, and looks like some wheel covers, additional parts probably for the wheels, the landing gear. Landing gear parts as well, as you can see, very nicely molded, lots of detail, and it's very crisp. Two of these sprues, the same ones, looks like weapons. And here we have our fuselage, which actually has got some very nice detail on the inside of that cockpit. And the same on the other side, we've got some detail there. And just to show you here, look at the quality of that molding. Almost no sanding required. All recessed lines. This is a very nice kit, very well molded, excellent quality. Here's the one wing, this has been put together already. Here's the other wing. And we need a little bit of filling and sanding there. But all very nicely molded, very clean and crisp. Looks like we have our propellers been put together already, also very nicely molded. Needs a little bit of sanding. Here are our cockpit canopy and glass, nicely molded. Here are the engine nacelles with some detail. Could definitely do with some more. We have our engines with some nice surface detail. Here are our engine cowls. And wheels. And here's our cockpit. As you can see, very detailed, nicely molded. And our rudder and the stabilizer and elevator, all very well molded. And here's our instrument panel, looks like. So, here are the decals. A fair amount, nicely printed. This is an older kit. They haven't yellowed very much. Here are the colors needed. And we start off with the cockpit. That's already been done. And build the inside of the fuselage. And the fuselage goes together. The tail gets put together along with the stabilizer. Engines, these have been built already. And the nacelles, when those are put together, the landing gear is put together, wheel well covers, propellers, these have been put together as well. Then our wings, that's been done. And then I guess these weren't weapons, these are actually exhausts. And there's the left and the right side. And then we put together the nose wheel and the nose and the canopy goes on, and some additional details going on there. And the radar is put together. This is one of those night fighters. And then the painting and decal guide. So all in all, very well molded, lots of detail. It's a very nicely made kit. This wheel well could be better, but overall this is a great kit.